All right. Thank you for tuning in. If you start a cattle feedlot without a proper system, you will lose money very fast. In this short clip, or I can call it a short video, right, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a feedlot system that actually makes profit. Remember, we are in a business to make profit. For a business to be, it has to make profit frequently. All right. Welcome to Smart Livestock Systems with your main man, the Agri mentor, NY Asher, where we don't guess, we build systems that makes farms profitable. All right. Now, most farmers, upcoming farmers, small scale farmers, they fail in feedlots actually for three main reasons. Number one reason, which is the first one. The first reason actually is that they don't calculate feed costs properly. You need to have a proper way of calculating your costs, which is very, very important. If you do not calculate your costs, what exactly are you doing? Put that in your mind right now. Number two, the second one actually is that they overstock animals without having a clear feeding and management plan. All right. You can have 100 cattle without a proper feeding and management plan, and you are bound to fail. You can have 5 cattle that you track records, you feed, you track your feed, you track everything, and you make profit. Remember, we want to build businesses that make profit or that are profitable. All right. Number 3, which is actually the third one, is that they don't track weight gain consistently. There is need for you actually to track weight gain, whether you are feeding chickens, whether you are feeding cattle, whether you are feeding goats, whether you are feeding rabbits, whether you are feeding sheep, all livestock. If you are in the business of feeding animals or in a feedlot system, you need to track weight gain, which is very, very important. So these three main reasons that I've spoken about alone can make or destroy profits very quickly, which we do not want in a business. All right. Because in a feedlot, right, look at it this way. Every kilogram of feed, it costs money. Every extra day on feed costs money. And every animal that fails to gain weight the right way eats directly into your profit margin, which we don't want. So, if you don't have a proper system for feeding, for stocking, for monitoring growth, for controlling costs, the business becomes expensive very fast. Are you with me there? I hope you're getting me. But there's always the good news. We always come with the good news here at the Smart Livestock Systems. When a feedlot is managed correctly, remember these words, mark these words, management of the feedlot correctly, it can become one of the most profitable livestock system in agriculture. Every business, it needs proper management. It needs proper systems. And in this video, actually, and in the videos to come, I will walk you through the key systems you need to put in place so that your feedlot works like a business, not a gamble. You heard me there. It has to work like a business, not a gamble. You don't enter into a business just because somebody is doing it. You don't enter into a business because you are trying to gamble money. No. It all starts with proper systems, correct management systems. Actually, in these coming episodes, I'm going to be showing you how we do it at Songe Farms. We have actually managed to come up with systems that works. And I'll walk you through step by step. This is an introduction of what is to come. There is a lot that we have learned at Songe Farms. I hope to learn with you as well, and we will move together. Remember to subscribe to the Agri Mentor, your main man, NY Asher. I'm not out of content. I'm just out of time. See you next time. Cheers.